Welcome back to my channel. This is Troy Roden. Some people may know me as Lago Benz. So this is my part 8 series of video, the real cost to build a house, concrete house cheap. So now that this building is, the roof is complete, we are going to take a walkthrough of what the inside look like. So welcome once more. So this is the inside of the 2,800 square feet of building. So warm welcome to all viewers, subscribers, family and friends who follow the series. So this is the inside of what all the hard work have been put into this building is look like now. So this is the kitchen area we are looking into right now. So we are in the living area looking over to the kitchen area. The honest truth, this house is pretty well a decent sized house. I'm not sure of all of what is what right now, but that's not a big deal. I guess you guys were watching most of the series, so you would like to see what the inside is all about and what it look like now. So yeah, the slab work, the decking or the roof is complete. So there's a saying say, for it to have a roof, you can call it a house. So the next move or the next big job will be to do the flooring and the rendering of the wall and get things looking smooth and nice and a decent finish. And then also the upper, the interior of the roof, you get it have a nice look. We don't know what kind of design or what kind of style we will be using in the upper part of the roof, the inner part, but you see as you go along. So this is what the hard work the workmen and contractor and everybody put together to bring this building. So this is, it take 9.5 million Jamaican dollars and a time of 5 months to bring this building to what it is like now. So this is the back porch we are looking at now. Yeah, so this is the back of the building. So as I always say, if you think this video is educational or interested, please leave a like, subscribe, press the notification bell to get notified when I do more video like this. So we are just taking a brief tour of this 2,800 square feet of building, and this is a back living room. No, that's a back room. That's a bedroom. So this house is a pretty decent size house. I love it. I love it. I love it. So tell me what you think. Leave your comments. What do you like about this house? What you don't like about this house? Leave it in the comment. And as usual, I always try to answer as much questions as I can. Yeah, so based on question I get in comments, they are saying that I'm not giving enough information, but what you have to understand, it's a series set of video. So the information I give in like series 1, part 1, part 2, part 3, it don't make sense repeat it here. So you have to just follow the series and you get information. Well, you won't get all information. There is something might do never said, still can answer to it, but I'm just trying to give some understanding of what's going on here, because some people say I'm not giving enough information. So when they're watching this video, they want to get the breakdown of everything that's happened, but you cannot give all the breakdown in one video. And do remember to check out the material lists in the description in this video. So I'm just giving an inside view of this building after 5 months worth of hard work. I think it's a great thing to do for you guys to see was the decking done properly and all of those things. So in real time I'm giving you a view. So this is the parking garage. This is the parking garage and an outside view of the green, sunny, and this island is in the Sunshine Island of, this house is in the Sunshine Island of Jamaica. Yeah, I guess most people know that, but for you who have seen this first series, yeah, this house is in Jamaica, the western section of Jamaica. So this is the back of the building, and as you can see on top, the steels and pipes ready to do the upper level, because this is a split level, meaning this is like leveling up the land. So we'll be repeat the same building on top. We don't know when, but that's what will be done in the future. So this is the side of the building, what you're seeing now. And this is the back and a side, and this is the next side of the building. So we're just trying to get as much view as we can. So for the flooring, to do the floor, the flashing of the wall, the dressing of the door jambs and window, this building will take at least $3 million more for material and workmanship. So by the time, when I say the flooring, it's just like putting the concrete floor and the rough flooring, no tile included. So it will be an additional cost of $3 million Jamaican dollars more. But the walls will be dressed and finished inside and outside. The flooring will put in, but no tiles as yet. So I don't know if this information is serve you guys a lot. I try to give as much as I can, and as I always say, it's a pleasure of you watching my video. So see you in my next video. Thank you all for